Hello people, it's me Munira, and in today's video I'll be doing a very nice cut crease. So guys, don't go anywhere and stay tuned. And today I will only be using this lipstick. I will use them as my eyeshadow, so I hope it turns out well. It's the first time actually using the lipsticks as eyeshadow, so I will just try to blend them. And I'll be using only two today palettes. I'll only be using two palettes today. And I have this one. I'm so in love with this. Only these two, so let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I'm having this. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows because I actually didn't get time to record it, but next time you can see my other video, the one I did for the eyebrows. Anyway, so now I've already primed my eyelid. Now I'm going to prime my whole face. So I've just been noticing this week my face is very dry, so I'm going to be using this. Then I'm going to be using this only in some parts. Okay, now this is the best part. I'm gonna be trying using this lipstick. It's Sephora. It's Sephora number 38. I don't know if it's, I don't know. Anyway, I'm just gonna put it somewhere here, and it's matte. So you have to be quick. Then here, I'm going to do the cut crease. So as you can see, I already did the cut crease here. I'm going to put this color. And then on this side, I'm going to put this color. And at the end, I'll just put black. Like I did on the other side, I'm going to be using the gold one. It's not gold actually, it's, I don't know, maybe it's mixed gold or it's, I don't know. Okay guys, I know it's scary right now, but I'm going to put foundation and let's see. Fingers crossed. Then concealer. Now I'm going to set my foundation with powder. Then I'm gonna be using banana powder.
Then I'm going to put some blusher.
I'm going to, today I want, you can, this is optional, you can either do it or not. Some other people don't like to see the line, but for me today, my mood is just to do that. Anyway, so with this, maybe I'm almost done. Okay guys, I have finished my look. So now I'm gonna put lipstick, the same lipstick I used on my eyeshadow on my lid. So because I have too much going on here, I'm not going to put dark shade. I'm gonna be going with this same color pink. I'm gonna add this color.